everyone, welcome to Little Bird English School. Today I am going to teach you subject Max Standard 5. So student, open your textbook, page number 6. Now in page number 6, here given a picture of mango tree. So close your eyes and imagine that you are standing under a huge mango tree. So student, close your eyes. Yes, no cheating. Close your eyes and that imagine that you are standing a mango tree. Can you think how tall mango tree can be? Yes. Now imagine that you have come to a mango orchard with a farmer. Imagine that you have come to a mango orchard with a farmer. The leaves of the trees are making resulting sound in the gently breeze. A cooing sound is heard from up the mango tree. A cooing sound is heard from the mango tree. The mangoes on tree are swinging on branches because of this breeze. The mangoes on trees are swinging on branches because of this breeze. The farmer start his work in dark in early morning. The farmer start his work in dark in early morning. Some farmers go to the field in bullock carts. So student, here is a picture of bullock cart. The farmer growing mango face a difficult time when the strong wind is blowing. What student? फार्मर फेस अ डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम व्हेन द स्ट्रॉन्ग वाइंड इज ब्लोइंग. तेज हवाओं का झोंका जब होता है तो उन्हें बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. वी कैन नॉट गो फॉर इन अ बुलोक कार्ट विथ बुलोक कार्ट कैन कवर द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ओनली 4 किलोमीटर्स इन 1 hour. We cannot go for in a bullock cart. Okay, a bullock cart can cover the distance of only 4 kilometers in 1 hour. So student, how much time it will take to cover the distance of 10 kilometers? It's so easy. 10 divided by 4 is equal to 2.5. It means 2.5 hours. Guess how much distance do you cover in 1 hour by walking fast? In page number 7. Here we can feel the wind and also the sun moving with us during journey. Student, all of you feel wind and also the sun moving with us during a journey. If we forget the direction, we can figure it out with the help of position of the sun. Right? Yes. Look at the sun and find out direction of its rising. Look at the sun and find out the direction of its rising. सूरज कहाँ से उगता है? Yes, east. Stand where you are. Which interesting thing do you find in your east? Stand where you are. Which interesting thing do you find in your east? Write name of any two things situated in your west direction. So student, find out two name of things situated in your west direction. Wow, so many mangoes. Students, look here. So many mangoes. Yummy, tasty. Farmer select a graph from a mango tree which give more mangoes and show the plants and grow it in their own farms. A farmer has to wait for many years to grow a big mango tree and to get mangoes on that tree. Student, farmer has to wait for many years to grow a mango tree and to get a mango on that tree. Observe different type of vehicle. Student, here is a APMC. This is a APMC vehicle pic. The mangoes which are ready for sale are carried to APMC. What is the full form of APMC? Agricultural Production Market Committee or market yard or bazaar in different way to supply the mangoes to market yard as early as possible. Big or small vehicle are used. Supply करने के लिए big और small vehicle का use होता है. A tractor moves at that speed of 20 km per hour. How much distance can be tractor cover at the same speed in 3 hours, and how much time it will take to cover the distance of 85 km? This word problem we will solve in a last lecture. Okay. Page number 8. Draw the sketches following vehicle. Student, this is your homework. Draw the sketches following vehicle. Nowadays the producer of mango are very happy. Nowadays a producer of mango are very happy because this occupation is developed at national and international level. Our mangoes are exported to different state of our country and also foreign country. हमारे मैंगोज डिफरेंट कंट्रीज और फॉरेन कंट्रीज में सप्लाई किए जाते हैं. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ मैंगो इन अ ह्यूज क्वांटिटी is carried out by trucks and by airplanes. It is a matter of concern for our environment and health that the use of fertilizer and pesticide have increased in mango orchards. Due to this, the land quality is deteriorated and it is becoming infertile. Dangerous chemicals are used to ripen the mango quickly, which harm for our health. मैंगो को जल्दी पकाने के लिए डिफरेंट केमिकल का यूज़ होता है, वो हमारी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत हार्मफुल होता है. एट प्रेजेंट मैनी फार्मर ग्रो मैंगो बाय ऑर्गेनिक मेथड विदाउट यूजिंग केमिकल एंड कीप आवर हेल्थ एज वेल एज देयर लैंड गुड्स. कुछ फार्मर्स ऑर्गेनिक मेथड का यूज़ करते हैं जो हम इसमें केमिकल का यूज़ नहीं होता है, ऑर्गेनिक मेथड का यूज़ होता है. उससे हमारी हेल्थ और हमारा जो फार्मर का जो ज़मीन होती है वो अच्छी रहती है. Some people buy raw mango, get them ripe at their own home using dry grass, jute sack, onion, paper or grain and enjoy them. Thank you.